Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets. Black color, yellow color, red color, ultramarine color, green color. First we draw the letter of A. Now we use black color and draw A. A for apple, A for ant. The next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. We again use black color and now we draw C. C for cow, C for cat. The next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. Now we draw E. E for elephant. Kids, the next one is F and now we use yellow color. Now we use yellow color and draw the letter of F. F for fish, F for fan. The next one is G. G for goat. Kids, the next one is H. H for hand. And now we draw I. I for ice cream. The next one is J. J for jackfruit. Now we draw K. K for kite. The next one is L. L for lion, L for lemon. Kids, now we use red color. M for moon, M for mango. The next one is N. N for nose, N for nest. Now we draw O. O for octopus. The next one is P. P for parrot. And now we draw Q. Q for queen. The next one is R. R for rose. Blue color. R for rose. The next one is S. S for snake. We again use blue color and now we draw T. And the next one is U. U for umbrella. Kids, we again use blue color and now we draw V. V for vanilla. The next one is W. W for wolf. And now we draw X. The next one is Y. Y for yolk. The last one is Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.